Analytical procedure. What is this analytical procedure? Evaluation of financial information through analyzing the plausible relationship among both financial and non-financial data. And so they're going to research out the financial and non-financial data. What is that financial non-financial data? The financial and non-financial data means that the financial example ratios. We will apply a cash ratio, current ratio, sales to profit ratio, profit to earning ratio, profit to share price ratio, profit to market share ratio, net worth ratio, net worth, we will find net worth, and we will see more than we will see depreciation, how asset and turnover ratio, we will see, and what is the debt equity ratio. These are all the ratios involved the financial. What's the non-financial data is? Customer satisfaction, how long the customer waits to get the results, what is the new how many numbers of customer has gone got has newly arrived, what is the consistency of a customer coming back, is that the viability of business is possible, inflation, what they say, government, what is the trends, what is the policy, what is the environmental policies in the country. These are the things of non-financial data. We want to say that because what is the employment rate, non-employment rate, what is the poverty rate, what is the age limit, what is the male female ratio, what is this product, which age is going to use this product, is that government is bringing a restriction on this product, and what is the competition among this company, will there is a growth, or it is in the which phase of the cycle, embryonic state, a growth cycle or maturity cycle, for what is the thing, what is happening, we want to, these are the non-financial data. Analytical procedure also encompass such investigation necessary, identification, fluctuation, and relationship that is inconsistent with the relevant information that differs from the expected values of significant amount. Audited choice of procedures and methods and level of application, it is made for professional judgment. So because an auditor will take a choice of procedures and take a choice of method and level of application, the matter, everything he will do, and he will connect both the financial and non-financial data, and he will conduct and research out, and he will apply his knowledge, his professional skepticism over throughout the audit, and he will give a report based upon why do we need to conduct an analytical procedure. Because most probably two things you will see. First, whether the data which is given is fair and correct, properly entered or not. Second, whether these data which is entered, proper taxation has been paid to government. Because we look for both government and this use client. So whether proper tax, TDS has been deducted properly, TGS has been paid, whatever TCS we need to receive, did we receive? Whatever TCS, what we need to remit to government, did we remit out? What PF is paid properly, ESI is paid properly. What about the gratuity payments? What about the pension payments, whether properly done or not? These are the procedures we need to done. What is the employee ratio, whether the company is having all the permanent employees or non-permanent employees, whether the employees been given PF, why not they are giving PF, how they are dealing with it, is it legal or illegal? You want to see the employment act, you need to see PF act, you need to see 20 employees because they need to compulsory go to PF. If they have more number of, how they are not paying PF, that's a complete different thing. This is non-financial data, but that is a requirement. If not that data, they have more than 30 employees, 40 employees, but they are not showing the employees in their company's data, and but they are not paying PF, means that is an obligation, na? Yeah, there is a distinct obligation in which they may have a point of having like penalty, huge penalty. If government comes to know about this is a malpractice by the employer eroding the employees. What happens? A contingency fund should be allocated. If not, they will be in huge loss, because from that day to till day they need to pay the PF amount, but a huge amount of penalty to government, and the filing fees that goes to hell. That's the one thing. So auditor must apply everything to get the application. Professional judgment he need to make it out, and you connect it. And last thing is whether the business has this going concern possibility. Whatever they had profit or not, but next year, example, Aircel was having a great thing, but somehow point after time, what happened? They had a great turnover, but They lost the whole market. They sold the total Aircel users to companies. Geo, they got it. How? Uncertainty. They don't have the yield. That's what the reason.